There are various methods for solving this problem, and one of them is by running the program as administrator. Go to the particular program and click on Run as Administrator. And one of the reasons why you're seeing this message on your screen might be because of the DirectX problem. So make sure that your DirectX version is updated. So you can go to the Microsoft website and download the latest version of DirectX. And also you need to download the Microsoft Visual C. So make sure that both of the components are downloaded and are available on your PC. And after this, go to Windows and go to Programs, search for Programs and Features. Here you can see the Turn Windows Features on or off. Click on the option and make sure that Net Framework 3.5 and 4.8 are checked. If it is unchecked, make sure to tick on both of the features and click on OK. And this should really help to solve this problem. So if you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment.